This video is purely for educational purpose. The content in this video is a part of the book NIRFA Mathematics. All students and teachers who read and refer the book NIRFA Mathematics can enjoy this video fabulously. It's an advice to solve all exercises in the book after watching this video.
Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss some innovative methods to solve quadratic equations, and these methods I have proposed in my upcoming book NIRFA Mathematics along with the traditional methods. You know all the traditional methods. The first method is factorization method, second method is perfect squaring method, and third one is using the quadratic formula. Using these three methods, traditionally we can solve the quadratic equation. In your school, you are learning these methods. And if you are able to solve any general quadratic equation using these methods, then really you are genius. But can we increase the simplicity level of solving the quadratic equation by some innovative methods? And the answer is yes, we can simplify the method of solving quadratic equation. And these new two methods I have proposed in my book. The first method is, it's a very ancient method whose name is Babylonian Method. And second method is a very recent method proposed by the professor Pushlow Method in 2019. So let us see how these methods are working. So first of all, we are trying to solve this quadratic equation by Babylonian method. How to solve this? I'm explaining the method. So this is the quadratic equation. So you write the quadratic equation in such a way that the quadratic term you keep in the left side and the remaining terms you transfer to the right side. This is the first step you have to do. After that, you have to confirm the coefficient of x square must be 1. Here it is 1, but if suppose it is not 1, then you have to divide on both sides by the same number so that you will get coefficient of x square is 1. तो यहाँ पर x square का coefficient 1 already है. अब आप क्या करोगे? इस equation को again you are writing, but here the coefficient of x आप लेंगे half. Right? Now whatever the coefficient of x, that is 7 by 2, you put here. And you can now write the required roots or solution. Roots of this equation are this number plus x. Simple. Now the question arises, what should be the value of x? That you have to find. And how to find this value? You put this 7 by 2 here instead of x in the right side only. So it is your original 7 by 2. You are putting 7 by 2 instead of x minus 12. Now simplify this. This is 49 upon 4 minus 12 cross multiplication. This is 49 minus 48 upon 4. This is the value of x square. And now you take subtraction. What is this 1 by 4? And take the square root. You will get x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now you put this value here. So your first root is 7 by 2 plus your first value of x is 1 by 2, and your second root is 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 upon 2, that is first root is 4, and this is 7 minus 1 upon 2, that is 6 by 2, and therefore your second root is 3. So you are getting these two roots. How simple. Thanks Babylonian method. Okay. Now, we will solve this example also by using Babylonian method. What is the procedure? सबसे पहले आपको क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म लेफ्ट साइड में लिखना है. So you are writing 3x square. Remaining terms transfer to the right side. ऐसा हो गया. x square का कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर 3 है तो आप 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे both sides. So x square is equal to 10 by 3x minus 8 by 3. हो गया. Now again you are writing the equation, लेकिन सिर्फ यहाँ x का कोएफिशिएंट हाफ करना है. डिवाइडिंग बाय 2 करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 5 by 3 x minus 8 by 3. Now ये जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है इसको आप यहाँ लिखेंगे और अब आप डायरेक्ट रूट्स लिखेंगे. जो आपके रिक्वायर्ड है वो है 5 by 3 plus x. Now the only thing is remaining. What should be the value of x? उसके लिए ये 5 by 3 आप यहाँ x के जगह रखोगे. तो सेटअप ऐसा हो जाएगा इसका 5 by 3 into value of x is putting 5 by 3 minus 8 by 3. Simplified. It is 25 upon 9 minus 8 by 3. डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर लेते हैं. अब ये हो जाएगा आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम 9. ये हो जाएगा 25 minus 8 3 is 24. So the value of x square is equal to 1 upon 9. और फिर x की वैल्यू स्क्वायर रूट लेने के बाद आपको मिलेगी प्लस और माइनस 1 by 3. अब ये वैल्यूज यहां पर रखना है. तो आपका फर्स्ट रूट आएगा 5 by 3 प्लस 1 by 3 और सेकंड रूट आएगा 5 by 3 माइनस 1 by 3. So it is 6 upon 3 and it is 4 upon 3. So it is 2 and it is 4 by 3. That's all. How it is simple. Okay. Now we will see another new recent method invented by this Professor Pushlow, which are working as an associate professor in US. And he proposed this method in 2019. It is somewhat near to the Babylonian method, but the approach is different. Okay. According to Pushlow method, this is the quadratic equation, right? Now you make कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर 1. तो यहां तो ऑलरेडी 1 है. अगर 1 नहीं होता तो आप उस कोएफिशिएंट से डिवाइड करते. तो ये आपका हो गया क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. अब आप क्या करोगे, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x जो भी है उसका हाफ लोगे. तो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज -7 तो उसका हाफ आएगा -7 by 2 और उसका साइन चेंज करोगे. दैट बिकम प्लस. प्लस होगा तो माइनस, माइनस होगा तो प्लस. एंड देन यू आर एडिंग समथिंग एंड यू आर सब्सट्रैक्टिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. तो मैं m को ऐड करता हूं और सब्सट्रैक्ट करता हूं. दीज आर दी रूट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू Pushlow मेथड. नाउ what they propose, we know that the relation between coefficient of the quadratic equation and zeros of the quadratic equation. What is the product of roots? Product of roots is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. These are the roots and therefore its product should be equal to 12. So the first root is 7 by 2 minus m. Second root is 7 by 2 plus m. And its product is according to relation that is 12. So this we can use the identity a minus b, a plus b. According to that it will become as 7 by 2 whole square minus m square is equal to 12. Now ये minus m square हम इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो ये प्लस एम स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ये 12 इधर करेंगे, इसका स्क्वायर भी लिख देते हैं. 49 upon 4, this is minus 12. And therefore, the value of m square is equal to 4 and 49 minus 48, that is 1. And therefore, if you take its square root, its value is 1 by 2. Now you put this value in your roots. So your first root is 7 by 2 minus value of m is 1 by 2 and your second root is 7 by 2 plus value of m is 1 by 2. So it is 6 by 2, that is 3, and it is 8 by 2, that is 4. It is also very simple way to solve quadratic equations. Okay, we will solve one more example according to Pushlow method. So this is the quadratic equation. I am writing here 3x square minus 10x plus 8 is equal to 0. Make the coefficient of x square 1 by dividing 3 So we are getting x square minus 10 by 3x plus 8 by 3 is equal to 0. Take the half of the coefficient of x, that is minus 5 by 3, change the sign. So it is 5 by 3 minus something and add something. That something is denoted by m. Now, according to the relation of coefficients and roots, the product of roots, that is 5 by 3 minus m, this is the one root, multiply by 5 by 3 plus m, this is the another root, it is equal to constant term. That constant term is 8 by 3. Now, this multiplication gives us 5 by 3 ka square, that is 25 upon 9, minus m ka square, m square, that is what? 8 by 3. And rearranging the terms, I will get m square is equal to 25 upon 9 minus 8 by 3. 3 denominator हम same करेंगे, तो आपको मिलेगा this is denominator 9 common, 25 minus 8 3s are 24, that is 1 by 9, and this is the value of m square. Therefore value of m is 1 by 3 by taking square root, and therefore your roots already we have written. One is 5 by 3 minus m, the value of m is 1 by 3, and 5 by 3 plus m, the value of m is 1 by 3. So it is 4 by 3, and it is 5 plus 1, 6 upon 3, that is 2. These are the new methods proposed in my book. So I hope आपको मजा आ गया होगा और आपने कुछ नया सीखा होगा, और इसके सारे लॉजिकल रीजनिंग की ये मेथड एक्चुअली वही है जो आप पढ़ते हो, बट द एग्जीक्यूशन थोड़ा सा सिंपल हो जाता है, उससे स्टूडेंट्स फील करता है कि ये ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो गुड बाय.